Welcome to our video on how you can make money online in 2025. Today, we'll dive into the exciting world of automated webinar hosting and the top AI tools available. Webinars have become essential in the digital marketing landscape, allowing businesses to engage audiences, generate leads, and drive conversions. AI technology has transformed the way we host webinars, automating processes and enhancing user interaction. Let's explore the top AI tools that streamline the webinar experience and make hosting effortless. When choosing AI tools for your webinars, consider features like user analytics, automation capabilities, and audience engagement tools. Let's take a look at some successful case studies that showcase the power of automated webinars. Using AI for webinar engagement not only enhances interactivity but also provides valuable insights into audience behavior. Now, let's discuss various strategies to monetize your webinars and maximize your return on investment. The future of webinar technology and AI looks promising, with emerging trends set to shape how we connect with our audiences. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on making money online.